Hi, first grade. Today is Wednesday, and it is April 29th, and we are continuing to learn about clocks. And we've been learning about time to the nearest 5 minutes. Remember, as my minute hand goes around, it counts by 5 each time. Today, instead of the worksheet like you did yesterday, you're going to be using this drawing tool that you see here. So you can still use this clock that you've been using if you have it remembered on your computer, or you can go to an old assignment to find the clock here to help your thinking. But for the drawing tool, I want to show you what you're doing today. So it says draw a line from the clock to the correct time. All you're going to do is click this thing right here that says line. And then once you've got the line, you can literally draw a line from the clock to the time. So I see that this hour hand's between the 11 and the 12, so I know it's the 11th hour. And I can count by 5s to find my minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It's at 11:50. So I'm going to draw my line from that clock to 11:50. That's it. Then I can do it again and again. And you're going to do this for part 1, which is this worksheet, and part 2. Have a fun time.